Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with the June Magical Mystery Bead Box. I did peek, but I didn't see any of the beads. I wanted to see what the theme was without looking at the beads, so I very quickly grabbed the explanation card out and didn't look at anything. So it's called Stranded this month. It says, what's inside? Bead strand, Hawaiian Islands, metal bead strand, world cruise, Dakota stones, bead strand, and sunset flight. 2 destination boho bead strands, 1 destination tencha bead strand, leather cord USA 2mm leather pack, 18 inches of nautical antique brass chain, and a finding set. This month, Jesse James Beads gave me a coupon code. If you're interested in signing up for the Magical Mystery Bead Box, you can save $5 off of your first box by using the coupon code Brittany5, and I will put a link to that in the description below, and that's also an affiliate link. So that's just for the first box, and I think it's only for a certain date range, so I'll put that date range right here. Okay, so let's pop in here. All right, so 2 destination boho bead strands. So that must be one of these. This one says, and I don't know how to say that. Is it Chobe or Chobe Park in Botswana? This is cool. Oh, little elephant. You know, I'm going to have to make a mold of that elephant. I'm like in huge mold making mode right now. I just made like a bunch today and I've been using them and I'm super excited about it. Video coming on that soon. And this is pretty. It's like olive and brown mixed together, so like an olivey brown. Really cool bead, metal bead right here. We've got some crystals. Pretty. I think he needs a little bit of gold highlight. I might hit that with some wax paint, some gold wax paint. The second destination strand that I got was this Las Vegas, USA. These are interesting. Or, you know what? I think this one is the destination tencha bead strand. I've never seen this before. I don't have a lot of these beads, and look how gorgeous and detailed that is. Sorry, my hands are so dry. I have polymer clay all over them. This is gorgeous. Look at those flowers. Oh, we've got some nice faceted glass in between. They're so vibrant. I don't know if that's coming across on the screen. Like, these are super metallic-y and rainbowy. Those are pretty. This one is London, England. So I'm guessing this is the second destination boho bead strand. Okay, I'm getting it. I'm getting it together. So this one's London, England. We've got black, white, and red. I don't have a lot of red Jesse James beads, so this is kind of cool. And I like this middle bead. I don't think I've seen that one before. So you get 3 boho beads or 3 focal beads on those destination boho strands. Okay, very cool. This one's called Sunset Flight, and it's just, featuring Dakota stones. Holy mama, look at that. I don't know if that's like purple dyed crazy lace agate. I think that's what that is. And it's not charo white, even though it looks reminiscent. I think that's what this is. It's purple dyed crazy lace, and then 2 boho beads and some metal. That is cool. Very interesting. I think my favorite is this one, the square one, and this round one up here. Very interesting. That's a funky bead. That's a funky bead strand right there. This one is Hawaiian Islands. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this guy. It's a flower bead cap that is cat's eye. I've never seen that before. That is really cool. I love seeing stuff that I haven't seen before. So that's pretty neat. I love that. That might be my favorite thing so far. This must be one of their new designs on boho beads, because I don't remember seeing pearls like that before. So these are cool. And then there are 3 turquoise ones on this strand. I'm loving the crystal AB, and then we've got little hearts and then little flowers. These are nice. A lot of strands in this one, and that's what people were asking for this year too. I've heard, where are the strands? World Cruise, and this is the metal bead strand. This is very heavy. Very nice. Lots of silver on there. I mean, there's a lot of metal throughout all of these strands too. How many strands did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strands. That's crazy. Then we have a finding set. So we have cord end and clasp. I'm not going to open that up because I don't want to lose them. We have the Leather Cord USA 2 meter leather pack. Okay, so I read that as 2 millimeter earlier, so this is 2 meters leather pack. And I got it, the color is called gunmetal, so it's just black leather. This is 1 millimeter round. This must be part of the finding set. So some artistic wire, jump rings. These are 18 gauge. And then here is the nautical brass chain, antique brass chain. So let me open that up. That's pretty. That's really pretty. I like that. So I like this box. It's not cohesive to me because it's all a bunch of different destinations. So that's probably the thought process behind it. I don't think I'd use anything together, but it gives you a lot of product to work with on different projects. So that's an interesting take on a bead box. I haven't seen something like that. So I think that's pretty cool. You do get 2 different types of stringing material, 6 strands, and some findings. So I think that's pretty cool. Let me know which strand was your favorite. I think my favorite in this is probably the Hawaiian Islands, just because of this guy, or the Sunset Flight because of these. So let me know what you thought. Stay tuned for Goldie, and if you want to save $5 off of your first Jesse James bead magical mystery bead box in the month of July, use coupon code Brittany5 for $5 off. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye.